Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we need to look back at Numpy, and we're going to look at the median function. So alright, let's discuss for a second what median truly is. And while this is bringing up, if you're new here, thanks for joining us. If you've not hit that subscribe button, go ahead and hit that subscribe button now, and because we have videos like this coming out all the time, and we just build upon them. So alright. Median. So, alright, it's not the mean, it's not the average, it's the midpoint. So it can get a little confusing. So let's just look at it. Median, and let's do. So, alright, you might say, well, Sam, that is the mean. Well, now let's give it, that was an even number. Now let's give it an odd number. So 1, 1, 9. So this would be weighted. It'd be a little bit closer to 1 if this was the mean, but it's not. It's literally the midpoint of your container. So, all right, we are going to look at a list like so. And let's put this into memory. And then if we were to sorted data, all right. So here's our midpoint. So let's put this back. Then Numpy median data. It's 4. So alright, that's not too fancy, but here's where Numpy can become very, very, very powerful. So alright, let's put this in an array and start to manipulate the shape. So Numpy array data, and we'll do this in a non-tricky way. 6 by 6. Put this up, and I'll put this in the description down below. Oops. There we go. So okay, let's bring this over, because a picture is worth 1,000 words. Okay, so we used our median, and we got our midpoint of 4. Whoop-de-doo. So alright, if you looked really close, there is another argument that makes the let me make sure I set this up right. Okay. The axis. Right now it's defaulted to none, but you can actually then, especially when you have a shape, when you have a two-dimensional array, you can go down and do the column or the row. And the columns, the axis is 0, and the rows, the axis is 1. So let's just bring this in. Array, and then axis 0. Let's close that out. So I were to go, it's 4, 7, 3.5, 3.5, 5, and 2 are my median on my columns. And then if I wanted to go down on my row across, 4.5, 6, 3, 5, and so on. So this is where this begins to become very, very powerful, because this is a slam dunk, no brainer. But this is where we get very sophisticated. So alright, please drop any comments, questions, or any video requests below. I can't tell you how awesome some of the questions have been over the past few weeks. You guys are just knocking them out of the park and helping me fill in any gaps, because that's what we do. We do micro videos, we do bite size, and then Now we're just going to call them filling in gaps for the deep dives. I love doing deep dive videos, and I can't tell you guys thank you enough. So as always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.